So this morning we're going up to Gold Queen Basin. Last night we went up there because me and Dad know that there are some very nice bucks up there, and we're going up there because we went up there last night in Glassed for a couple of hours and saw about 4 good shooters for me, and we're gonna go and see if we can't get in on one. And
what day is it?
it's Saturday the 20th, and it's the opening day of the deer hunt.
So I'm going to be the getaway drive home with my mom, and I'm excited for the hunt. So yeah, and we're going to have a great time, and so we're going to where we need to go hunting, and so yeah, and it's going to be fun.
Kill a deer. Maybe 4 of them. Who knows? Maybe 5. Maybe we'll wing 4 or 5. Kill 1, maim 4. Sounds like a plan. Let's go.
What? She's a whimpering maniac, Dad. I'm gonna kill you all.
Alright, put your back.
Just go.
Let's just go.
Go. Dad.
Okay, which way do you
Go,
want?
Dad. Let's go that way.
Okay.
That's what the ducks are. I feel like we should go that way.
Move your hand.
Okay, no.
Do not pull your hand back.
I don't know.
You coming?
I wanted Molly to come, Dad.
Okay, so we're gonna go into this oak brush right here. Because last night we were on the ridge over here. You can just faintly see the ridge that we were on. Over through the oak brush. We saw 4 good shooters for me. When me and Dad were here, a month ago, I passed up a really nice 2-point. The body on it was ginormous. I was gonna shoot it. Me and Dad says he saw it again over here, so we're going over.
Shut up.
We're going over into here. I want to see what's sneak along. And if we can, get a shot.
Not you. We're gonna find you a crocodile too, boy. Right there's that big dead tree that I saw the deer by yesterday.
not exactly sure what time because I didn't look at the clock. We have seen hardly anything except for apparently 2 deer that I did not see. And then we've walked a ways. Like, feels like a ways. 2 miles. And so, yeah, my favorite part so far has been when Tate got farted in the face by Dad. That was pretty fantastic.
Tell us what happened.
We're hiking a long ways again, and we've spooked out 3 bucks, and we just spooked out a fawn, and the cow chirping and the whistling you just heard. The cow chirp was Dad, and the whistle was Bert, to help us see how far apart we are from each other and where we're at.
Pretty fun, huh?
Perfectly fun, yes.
Okay, so today we just got back from going on a little hike looking for deer. We roughly walked about 4 miles and we jumped 3 deer, or 3 bucks, 2 fawns and 2 does, and we couldn't get a shot at any of the bucks. Lori could have gotten a shot at the deer, but she didn't want a little wonky 2-point that I've already called dibs on. But so we're doing that, and now we're going to patio drive-in in Blanding, hopefully. Now to Tate.
Tate found his first shed.
So now I found a shed today.
Ooh, twigs.
And
Twigs time.
So, and Max and my dad walked over it. So, and I'm the only one that saw it, so I picked it up. And